Because we're going to drive our combine harvester, we're going to dig for spuds, and we're going to milk the cow and stuff like that. If you get a bit lost, don't worry, copy them, because they're farmers. This is how we do our final part, and it's called the combine harvester. He looks a little bit upset. Are you upset? Well, are you upset? A little bit. A little bit, so yes. So then, Jordan, stand centaur. That means centre in my language. Okay? What are you upset for?
Because at the end of that dance you meant to do a ballerina, but recently everyone just stopped to watch me do it. Yeah, everyone needs to do it.
Right, so at the end of that dance, which is all to do with farming, you reckon that we're supposed to pretend to be a ballerina. So let's work this out. In the actual party dance, we drive a combine harvester, we grab our braces because farmers wear braces, we bounce, we go wah-wah like a farmer, we dig for potatoes, we milk a cow, and we more or less stomp around with our wellies on, and you're trying to tell us we also are supposed to act like a ballerina. Yeah. That doesn't work out, does it, Cayton Bay? Do you think Jordan's just putting the ballet bit on the end because he wants to? I tell you what, I think we've got a tutu somewhere if you want to have a little go at ballet. Do you know where the tutu is, Gills? Yeah. So we're getting some music and everything, don't worry. Ladies and gentlemen, I think Jordan's a bit upset because in his head, he thinks that there should be a ballet bit at the end of that last party dance, but I'm sure there wasn't, and I'm not going to lie, me and Mike were there when we made it up many years ago. Mikey, can you remember a ballerina at the end?
No ballerina.
Me neither, mate, me neither. But so, I'll tell you what, if you want to be a ballerina, I'll just ask the audience, Cayton Bay, do you mind if you keep our Jordan happy. So do you mind? Okay. Just bear with us for 30 seconds, okay? He just, oh, look at that, look at that. Okay, that's nice, okay. Tell you what, just to keep you happy, because you're dancing in the show very soon indeed, if you want to be a ballerina, mate, you don't have to sneak into a party dance. You just got to ask, and the Cayton audience are here to keep you happy. You don't mind the video, do you? Of course you don't, okay. So then, Jordan, we'll give you 30 seconds of our time, just to fulfill your fantasy. Everyone's a fruit nut cake. Come on then, Jordan, you wanted it. Alright. Is it a element now? Bit more graceful. That's it. Can I just ask, are you a dying swan or a dying elephant?
I'm a swan.
Oh yeah, okay, just asking, just asking. Did you say swan or chicken? That's more like it. This is Melbourne, Jordan. Don't worry. There's not a lot of people videoing it. As you can see, Jordan has never been to a ballet in his life. Ladies and gentlemen, Jordan Pendlebury. Do you know what really amuses me? What happens is, you spend hours and hours learning your songs when you're singing and everything. You come on stage and you sing to the Cayton audience, and they appreciate it, they give you a nice little round of applause. You whop on a tutu and they go mental. I think it's funny, mate. Just don't rehearse, don't need to, mate. Whop on the tutu. In fact, whop on the tutu and you can sing the birdie song. That's all you need. You don't need to rehearse. Okay, are you alright?
Yeah, like just a waste of like 3 weeks of my life.
It's alright, don't worry.